Good morning, children. Welcome back to mathematics class, statistics chapter, part 12. In today's session, you are going to learn how to find the missing observations in frequency column through median. So that already in median you learned how to find the missing observation in median. Now in this session you are going to learn how to find the missing observations, not one, more than one. How to find the missing observations in frequency column in median. So let us see the sum. If the median of 60 observations given below is 28.5, that means median is given 28.5, find the values of x and y. The class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Frequency, that is 5, x, 20, 15, y, and 5. Here 2 are missing. So the missing observations, that is x and y, you have to find out using the median formula of grouped data. Let us see the solution. So write the class intervals as it is: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. And frequency 5, x, 20, 15, y, and 5. The total of this frequency is also given as 60 because in the question it is given 60. It is given there the total frequency. So the total you write as it is 60. Then cumulative frequency, you all know that first observation you write as it is. Then 5 plus x, the second one. The next one is 5 plus x plus 20, that is 25 plus x. 25 plus x plus 15 is 40 plus x. And then 40 plus x plus y is 40 plus x plus y, because both are two different variables we cannot add. Yes, sir. So next 5. So 40 plus 5, which is 45 plus x plus y. This is cumulative frequency. Now here n value, that means the total frequency is given as 60. 60 by 2 you do it, that is 30. 30 falls in which cumulative frequency? 30 falls in 30 falls means 30 is nearer and more to this cumulative frequency. So to this, the, with respect to this, you underline this complete class interval and frequency. So with this, nearer to n by 2 value, nearer and more than to n by 2 value is 25 plus x. So underline this complete one. In this is f, and in this class, with respect to this cumulative frequency, the class interval, in the class interval, the lower boundary is L. Now, to this n by 2, nearer and more, to the preceding one is 5 plus x. So, this is cumulative frequency. So, f is 20 and 5 plus x is CF, cumulative frequency, and lower boundary is 20. See, here n is capital N, the sum of all the frequencies is given as 60. But when you add all that, the sum of all the frequencies in that given as 45. When you do it total, you will get 45 plus x plus y. This total, which is given as 60. So from this, when you simplify, transpose 45 the other side, then you're getting x plus y value is 50. You leave the equation like this. Now, lower boundary L value is 20. Highest frequency, that means n by 2. N by 2 value, which is near and more to the cumulative frequency, with that respective frequency is 20. So f is 20. Size of the class, which is 10. And median is given in the question, that is 28.5. Now see the question. The formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F. This is F, children. Sorry, once again. This is F, n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Substitute all the values. 20 plus n is given as 60, 60 by 2 minus our CF value in the table is 5 plus x. Put them in the brackets because it is a binomial. So write 5 plus x into class interval is 10 by highest, that means the frequency which is with respect to the n by 2 value, nearer and more cumulative frequency. With respect to that, the frequency is 20, so write 20 is equal to 28.5, median is 28.5. Now 20 plus 60 by 2 value is 30, minus 5, remove the brackets, plus into minus, it is minus, so write minus 6 by 20 into 10 is equal to 28.5. Cancel out 10 ones, 10 twos, which is 20. So write it. First subtract this two. 35 minus 30 minus 5. 20 plus 35, 30 minus 5 is 25 minus x by 20 into 10 is equal to 28.5. That is 20 plus 25 minus x by 20 into 10. Cancel out 10 ones, 10 twos. So 20 plus 25 minus x by 2 is equal to 28.5. Now what you do, transpose plus 20 to the right hand side, that is of equal to. So 25 minus x by 2 is equal to 28.5 minus 20. 28 minus 28.5 minus 20 is 8.5. So 25 minus x by 2 is equal to 8.5. Now transpose this to the other side, then it will become multiplication. So 25 minus x is equal to 2 into 8.5. That is 25 minus x is equal to 8.5 into 2 value is 17. Then transpose 25 to the other side. Minus x is equal to 17 minus 25. Minus x is equal to minus 8. So x is equal to 8. This value, x value, substitute in that equation in the table. After the table, we got one equation, that is x plus y is equal to 15. In that you substitute x value here. So but x plus y, we got it as 15. So in that x place you substitute 8. So 8 plus y is equal to 15. Then transpose 8 to the other side. Then y is equal to 15 minus 8, that is equal to 7. So x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. So my dear children, what you will do, in the table already total frequency is given. The total frequency you make it as n by 2. You do it. At n by 2 value, that is 30, where the in cumulative frequency which is nearer and more to 30, that you have to consider as that you have to underline it. The complete line along with the frequency and along with class interval, you have to underline it. So with respect to that, what f is there, the what frequency is there, that is the f value in the table, in the formula you have to substitute. Similarly, with respect to that class, what is lower boundary, that you have to substitute in place of L. And then to that n by 2 value 30, which is nearer and more, that is 25 plus x, that is the preceding one is cumulative frequency. So after making or taking all the values in the table, then you substitute all the values in the formula, and then first you transpose, after simplifying this part, first you transpose plus 20 to the other side. Then you can simplify this part finally. Then through that you will be getting the values of x and y. This is very, very important for 4 mark question, children. Very, very, very important. Next, a very important concept, that is the mean is the most frequently used measure of central tendency. Here, what is mean, median, and mode? These are nothing but finding the measures of central tendency. So, mean is the most frequently used measure of central tendency because it takes into account on all observations. That means from the starting to the ending, all observations it will be taken when you calculate the mean, and it lies between the extremes. That means the smallest to the largest. The mean value lies between the smallest to the largest of the entire data. But rather than the mean, we take median is the better measure of central tendency, because this mean is always depends on the extreme values, lies between, this mean is lies between extreme values, and it depends on all the observations. The mean depends on all the observations. So my dear children, I hope you might have understood that today's sum, that is exercise 14.3, the sum which is left over to find the missing observations in the frequency column through median, that I have explained it. I hope you might have understood that. Practice 2-3 times very well that sum, and complete the assignment according to the what method. Today only one sum is explained, but the sum is very, 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 very important for 4 marks. So practice that sum And in that same model, you'll be getting two more sums in the assignment. So you complete that without seeing. So practice and then write without seeing. So my dear children, thank you very much and thank you one and all.